Around 2013, 2014, 2015, when I started learning graphic design using Photoshop, the software was working very well. It was so sweet that I could use a Core i3 system and still run whatever I want to run perfectly, because as long as I have up to 8 gig RAM in my system works perfectly. But as time goes, Photoshop has been adding new features to make the work easier for us. But where I have the problem with the software is the part where, as you're adding all these things to the software is still not being better. When DaVinci Resolve came out, a lot of persons had to leave the Adobe software, which is the Premiere Pro, and run to DaVinci and start working there because they feel like color grading, everything is easy. It doesn't drag system that much, it doesn't lag, it doesn't even just crash like that. So a lot of persons just moved there and started using that, which I have also used, and I feel more comfortable using it for some other reasons. But my major problem here is you keep producing new updates every year. You keep adding new things. But how can we use these new things that you're adding if the software doesn't work well with our system? The more you bring these softwares, the more there are bugs inside. It's either there is one bug or two in every single one that come out. The software becomes heavier every year and starts slowing down our system. How can I be using a system that has about 32 gig or so, and I cannot run Photoshop very well? I remember back then, I could even retouch up to 20 pictures in less than 2 hours. But right now, I can even take 4-5 hours to retouch 10 pictures, which is not nice. I feel like people should work on your software. Work on your software because you really need to do it. If there's another company like yours, probably would have switched just the way a lot of us are switching to DaVinci Resolve. So it's better you fix your software, please. To a point, don't just start adding things. To a point, just stop and start fixing everything. Make the system faster for everybody to use. Because if the system, if the application is not fast, you don't expect us to be working inside of it with joy. I don't even work in Photoshop with joy anymore. I don't feel very comfortable working in Photoshop. I feel like it's a very serious matter that we need to discuss. Probably by tomorrow, I'm going to talk about why AI is not a thing to rejoice about when it comes to our jobs. But if you want to see that video, I'll plead with you that you share this video. Make sure this video goes around. Make sure this video, everybody sees this video and understand what I'm saying, because trust me, I'm not enjoying using Photoshop anymore, just like the way I used to enjoy using Photoshop. New update, yes, but Photoshop is dying gradually. Once again, my name is Geetee, and I'll see you on the next one.